this would be a out. I was gonna say I would garden in this outfit, but no, not really. Welcome, ladies, to another segment of Loesje and Bien Behind the Scene. I am showing you the marine tunic in the black check. It's like a little bit of a seersucker fabric, and it's got a gray, black, fine, very fine, petite little check. We brought it out earlier on, way early in the spring, and they sold very quickly. And we did a recut. We still had fabric, so we were able to do a recut. They come in extra small to XXL. I'm wearing the extra small. And why I think it's such a favorite piece, it's because it's such a cool, easy to wear little tunic. It's the fit of it is, it's a little fitted here. It's got a great sleeve. I love this sleeve. It's not constricting. It's a nice length. This is a cute little detail. It's not functional, but it's a cute little detail. It's got a great little neckline with some pleats here going out. Lots of seaming detail going on. Great big pockets for your phone, your sunglasses, your lipstick. And then the little appliques is a nice little detail. So you can pair it up with so many different things. And the other thing is the length is fine to wear it without anything at the bottom. I chose to show it to you with the white leggings. This is one look. Ruched leggings from Loesje and Bien. It's the bamboo viscose. We are well known for our leggings. The rise is long. It's got a little elastic waist. Also, we are very excited because we got a big box of new Siska jewelry in. Siska, the jewelry from Holland. And I chose this interesting color red. It's like a deep red. And these necklaces are so amazing. You know, you have a hard time putting on jewelry. This is the easy one with the magnet. And it's light, it's on a nice cording, and it makes a really nice detail on any outfit. We also have a huge selection of jewelry we got in. And this is the matching drop, long drop. With this necklace. So check out the website for the Siska jewelry from Holland. So I'm back with the second look with the marine tunic, and I'm wearing it with jeans, the crop jeans from Liverpool. I love these jeans. And I'm having, of course, a Siska with the gorgeous red heart and this lovely light scarf with a lot of red in it. So great summer outfit, perusing your garden. Speaking of gardens, I am so excited about my garden. I've been able to spend a lot of time in it. I put in new soil, new mulch. We did a garden segment last summer we did a tour of my garden. We're going to do it again this year because I want to show you the changes because I'm quite excited about it. I ordered from this amazing dahlia place online. I ordered about 20 to 30 dahlia tubers and planted them in containers. And because the reason being is that I love dahlia as a cut flower. And I always fantasized of having lots of dahlias in my garden. I have planted a few in the soil over the years. They've never done much of anything. So I read extensively up on it, and lo and behold, I was really surprised to read that you can plant them in containers, which I did. I had them shielded when it was still very cool. I had them against the house and the sun was warm enough for them. Now they're sprouting up and they're growing every day, and I am so excited. I can't wait for these gorgeous flowers to come out. Cut them, bring them to France, and of course put them in my own home. I will keep you posted with my quest on the perfect dahlia. I hope you like this segment. You've got some ideas. It's all about the outfit, but also little stories about our life. I think it makes life more interesting. I hope you are doing all wonderful in your own life, and keep on smiling, ladies. Thank you, ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women.
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.
Bye.